Mental health can be a focus for New Year's resolutions, and this time around it may be even more so.
WDRB's Breon Martin shares what doctors are recommending as we look to next year's blank slate. Breon.
Well, Fallon, Scott, it has been a trying year. 2021 has taken a toll on the city mentally and physically. Last year, we saw 187 homicides compared to 221 this year. Now, overdoses are down by more than 100, and there were 9 fewer suicides this year compared to last year. Now, Louisville's deadliest year is bringing mental health into the spotlight, and that's not even considering COVID-19. Louisville broke another deadly record weeks before the new year.
Feels really heavy this year.
Dr. Mona Lisa Taylor with Norton Healthcare says focusing on mental health is more important than ever.
We've had a lot of trauma that we are all dealing with, and that's made this year, and particularly these holidays, really difficult.
Dr. Taylor says attaching that goal to the New Year's resolution list wouldn't be a bad idea.
Trying to find those things that you enjoy, and I know a lot of us tend to fall into some particular patterns, whether it's stress eating, stress smoking, stress drinking, and trying to get ourselves out of those patterns can be helpful. And maybe creating one type of intention for your day may help you towards your goals.
Of the 200 plus homicides this year, Nyla Linear, a 16-year-old, was shot and killed near Cecil Avenue in July.
I'm still in denial. There's some days I wake up and I really feel like it didn't happen.
Her mom, Candy, is bracing for next year with her mental health in mind.
I go to therapy, and it helps me when I help other people.
Funeral home owner Anthony Oxendine says a partnership bloomed after her daughter's funeral.
She comes into the funeral home when the family has lost a child due to homicide, and they're able to connect. Not only connect by hand, but by the heart.
Oxendine says he sees all too often a mother laying their child to rest.
Out of 188 homicides, Spring Valley has done approximately 100 of those services.
Though it hasn't been easy for many families in Louisville dealing with the loss this year, Dr. Taylor says the best advice to offer is to prioritize mental health and well-being.
So that way we can be the best version of ourselves as we're helping out our family, our children, and all those loved ones around us.
And Dr. Taylor also recommends getting tested for COVID before tomorrow's big night or make an appointment to get a vaccination shot or booster in early 2022. Breon Martin, WDRB News.